I'm excited about showing you how to quickly get up to speed on using Packet Tracer. In this video, let's cover a few of the topics that we're going to see throughout this course. We will kick things off talking about some Packet Tracer alternatives. There are some other lab options that I just want to make sure that you consider, because Packet Tracer is what's known as a simulator and is different than working on the actual physical equipment. But Packet Tracer is a great start. So we'll talk about downloading and installing Packet Tracer. I'll show you that process. We'll get into navigating Packet Tracer and how it is laid out. We'll talk about deploying, configuring, and connecting certain devices. And then we'll talk about consoling into a device so you can start programming it. And then we'll talk about crossover cables, because I do feel like you have to understand a little bit about straight through cables and crossover cables and when to use each to make sure you can interconnect this equipment. And ultimately, this is going to be a quick course designed purposely so that way you can start using this when you are actually learning your labs for CCNA.